Now, to support our collective fight against COVID-19, and on the best advice made to us from medical experts, Ontario is postponing March break until the week of April 12th. This decision was made on that advice from public health officials, including the province's Chief Medical Officer of Health and many local medical officers of health as well. At this time, it is critical that we continue to prioritize the health and safety of students, staff, and their families so that we can continue with the safe return to in-person learning. Postponing March break, not canceling it, is an important way that schools can help to limit community transmission. We recognize that congregation is a key driver of the spread of COVID-19, something we realized over the winter break, and we will not take that risk again with your child, with our staff, with Ontario families. The decision is all more important as we move to protect our communities from the emerging variants of this disease. I recognize that this is one more change in a year that has been challenging for so many students and our education staff who continue to work so hard. But it is one made on the best advice of public health officials to keep them safe and to keep our schools open in this province. It is of the utmost importance that we do not travel at this time, especially as we lead into the month of March. This postponement also limits any further disruption to students as they could return to in-person learning during a time that has been challenging. As Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health has said, our schools have remained safe for kids, and this move is intended to keep them that way. We have been able to successfully reopen schools and protect them from COVID-19 because we have listened to experts and added additional layers of protection with new safety measures. These measures include mandatory masking from students in grade 1 to 3 and a better quality mask for Ontario students, province-wide access to asymptomatic testing for students and staff, as well as enhanced screening for students and staff before they enter the school, along with very clear guidelines prohibiting a congregation before and after school for students and for staff. The decision to postpone March break has not been an easy one, but necessary to keep Ontario families safe from this variant. Nothing matters more than the health and safety of Ontario students, and we will continue to act in their best interest and follow the best expert advice to protect our kids and our province. Thank you.